your business or your business name is. And the last one that you cannot afford to miss is how to get your first 10 customers. Getting your first 10 customers before you start a business is very, very, very important. Like, it is highly important. It is non-negotiable. Let's start from the beginning. Number one, using exactly what you have. If you want to start a business, there should be a way to use whatever it is that you have presently with you to start out. Try and strategize or map out how you can use that money to produce the first batch. For instance, if you are in the clothes business or you are in the clothing business, sorry, I'm using clothing business as an example because I see that is one of the common businesses that people actually venture into, and it's actually a good business because everybody wears clothes, so everybody is going to need clothes. So if you are going into the clothing industry, you want to have a boutique, map out a way in which whatever it is that you have, if it's 50,000, if it's 1 million, how is going to be enough to produce the first batch.